What if your cat could run a coffee shop, perform surgery, or become a CEO? With AI Ideogram and Video, we're creating impossibly hilarious cat videos that are breaking the internet. Cat content dominates social media, but AI-generated cats performing human tasks, that's viral gold. Ideogram creates stunning, detailed cat artwork with custom prompts. Video transforms these images into smooth, engaging video sequences. The combination is irresistible to audiences craving originality and humor combined with cutting-edge creativity. Start specific, describe breed, pose, and human task vividly. Instead of cat working, try fluffy orange tabby and this serious expression. Photorealistic, Ideogram excels with detailed descriptors. Layer in emotions, lighting, and background details. Test variations. What works depends on your style and audience taste. Import your Ideogram masterpiece into Vidu AI. Use motion prompts like cat typing on keyboard, head nods, genuine concentration. Vidu generates smooth 5-10 second clips with natural movement. Edit transitions, add trending audio, and watch engagement soar. Stack multiple cat scenarios for longer videos. The novelty factor keeps viewers watching till the end. Short, shareable clips perform best on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Create series Cat Jobs, Cat Olympics, Cat Fails. Use trending sounds paired with absurd visuals. Consistency builds audiences fast. Cross-promote across platforms. Tag creatively for discoverability. This niche has explosive growth potential. Early creators are gaining thousands of subscribers monthly. Ready to create your own viral cat? Like, subscribe, and comment which cat job you generate first.